Welcome to another video by Pharaoh's Technology. Today I want to show you something that's really exciting, a way that you can set up access to work for you while you're working for other people, especially when you're developing your applications. Let's customize that quick toolbar. Okay, so what I want to show you today is how you can customize the quick toolbar so that you can get to those commands quicker and not have so much time in trying to find out which ribbon it belongs in and find the icon in the particular ribbon. It just makes things a lot easier for me. So I'd like to show you that trick. So I'm going to open the database, and today I'm opening it full screen so that you can see everything that's going on. Now, normally it's a little bit too small on the screen, but as I edit the video, I'll make sure that things that need to be bigger, you can see better on the screen. So what I'm talking about is the toolbar up here, up in the title bar, and you can customize it by clicking this down arrow. Now, we have Save As up here already, and Save is already up here. So what I want to do here is I want to put two new items that are just on this, straight on this drop-down list, and that's the quick print. And if I click down again, the print preview. So I'm going to add those that are the most common out of the first layer of the listings for that quick toolbar. The next thing I'm going to do is come down here to More Commands. Now, there are so many commands. I'm going to show you quickly how to navigate to the most popular ones. And so under the popular commands menu, I only want two more. If you come down here to saved exports, you highlight it here, you click add to push it over there. Now my cursor was up here on save. So because the cursor was clear up there, it put it in the wrong order. So if I click on the one that's in the wrong order, these arrow boxes will move things up and down, and I can order it any way I please. And I'm going to put that at the bottom. Now that my cursor is on the bottom, I can click Saved Imports now and click Add, and it'll put it under the one that I have highlighted here. So that's all I want really off of the popular commands, but there are a lot more commands that you could add to your quick bar from that list if you want to use those. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go to Commands, Not in the Ribbon. There's one off of this menu that I'm particularly interested in, because when I'm working with Access and I have external databases such as Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL or any of the other flavors of ODBC databases that Access can attach to, I like to know where the linked table manager is. And a lot of times, it'd be easy just to click on a button. Normally you get to it by right-clicking on a table and click Link Table Manager. But I'm going to put it up on the quick toolbar, and just like that. Now it'll be up there always ready for me to use. Now I'm going to customize my drop down a little bit more by coming up here, and I'm going to go down here to this Create tab. Now, what's happening here is these are the list here of all of these that are listed across the top. These are the names of all your ribbons. Now, what I'm doing is I'm actually putting up in my quick toolbar the things that are already on other ribbons, but I want quicker access to. I want easier access to. And I'm always creating things. I'm always creating queries and tables and reports and different forms. So I want to get to the design view of each one of those quicker and easier. So I'm going to go here first, and I am going to come down here to the form design. I'm going to go ahead and add that. Now, if you happen to like the wizard, and I like it for some things, but I don't use the wizard very often. Usually I'm creating them from scratch. So you can put the form wizard over there instead of design view, or you can put the form wizard in addition to design view. Either one, whichever one you like there. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go to query, and query has a query design and a query wizard. I'm going to choose the query design out of that. And the next thing down here is report design view. And of course, there's a report wizard too. Now, the last one I'm going to put in here is table design. And I'm going to add that. No, just like on the regular ribbon, there is no table wizard. The current view for creating a table is simple enough. They don't feel that they need a wizard for it. In fact, if you want to create a table on the fly, you'll use an import possibly, or a make table query, or some other variation that makes tables in that way. So now that I'm all done putting the items on there, what does it look like? Well, if I click on it, there they are, all listed up here. So I have query, I have print, and I have print preview. I have saved exports and saved imports. Then I have my designs here. I've got link table manager, and then I have form design, query design, report design, and table design. Now I can get to them quick and easy. And what that does for me is if I want to create, let's say I want to create a query. I come here, find my query design button, and I click on query design, and boom, it opens straight up. It has my tables listed over here, and I can choose which table I'm going to put into the query. Let's say I want to make something out of the Guardians table, and let's say I want to put all the fields in there. I can just drop them in there, and quickly I've made a query. I can add my criteria, and on I go. I didn't even have to look for it on the ribbon, although what you notice on the screen is the query design menu opens up, and then it shows all the different types of queries that I can make and the functions I can use. I didn't have to hit the create button here and search down the list. Oh, there's my query design. Instead of 2 clicks, I've got it down to 1 click, and away I go, and I'm done. So, I really hope that this has helped you. If it has, please hit that like button, and we'll hope to see you again in our channel later. Thanks.